Hello and welcome to a new short tutorial where I'm going to show you a tip for Google Forms. Today we're going to learn how to validate a phone number in Google Forms. I'm certain that there are a lot of ways to do this, but I'm going to show you a rather easy way to validate numbers with data with regular expressions. So I have set up Google Forms with just the title, and then I'm going to include a new question called telephone or phone number. Forms detects on my title what the type of question should be, so it includes short answer. What I'm going to do is to go to these three dots and say response validation. The first one I have here is number, but it doesn't work for me for the phone numbers because there's nothing I could validate here that is greater than, less than, equal to, is a number, a whole number. It doesn't work. The next one I could do is length, and I could say that it should be no more than 10 characters, for example. But when I say it should be no more than 10 characters, it will accept letters and symbols, so it doesn't work either. So I'm going to go to regular expressions and select matches. In the pattern, I'm not going to go deeply into regular expressions because this is a very deep subject that could take us a lot of time. So just suffice to say that if I include this square bracket and include 0 to 9 with the middle line, with the minus sign, and then close it, this tells Google Forms that this should be a number. But if I leave it like that, what I'm saying is that the phone number should have at least one number. But it could also have letters, symbols, or whatever. So this doesn't work either. But it's a start. Then I could go further and include this plus sign and wrap this up first with this symbol, and then at the end with the number symbol. So this tells Forms that this expression should just have numbers. Any number of numbers, but it should only be numbers or digits. So let's test it and see. If I start including letters and I submit, it says it must match pattern. If I put numbers with letters, it doesn't work. If I put symbols, it doesn't work. If I put spaces, it doesn't work. But if I just put numbers, it will work. Yeah, so I'm just saying it's the same as validating that it's only a number. So we're on the right track. But next, given that this is a phone number, I can tell Forms the exact number of numbers I want. So let's say our phone number is 7 digits long. So I could say that I need numbers, but exactly 7. If I want to say between 5 and 7, I could say 5, 7, and this is a saying, at least should have 5 and no more than 7. So let's leave it at 7 and let's try it out. If I have 4 numbers, it doesn't work. If I have 6, it doesn't work. If I have 7, it works. So that's it. And then I could include this sign that it represents OR, and I could copy and paste this and leave it at 10. So I can have two options. Maybe my phone number could be 7. In my country, for example, we have the fixed landlines are of 7 digits, but the cell phones are 10 digits. So here what I'm telling it is there are two options, or having 7 numbers or having 10 numbers. Let's test it again. Again, if I have 6, it won't work. With 7, it does work. 8, it doesn't work. 9, it doesn't work. 10, it works again. So it depends on your situation. If you want to include the country code or something like that, then we could have few more numbers. But I think the country code is for another lesson. Just wanted to show you how you can validate a phone number or any kind of number that has a specific amount of digits. Phone number works very well because normally, depending on your country, the number will have 7, 10 or more digits, but it's a fixed number. And we need it to only be numbers. It cannot be letters or any other symbol. Okay, so that's it. This is the code. I think it speaks for itself. But if you want to access the template for this and all the videos in the channel, you can go to the Patreon and support me there. If not, just subscribe to the channel and that will be support enough. Thank you so much and see you the next time.